Hello everyone, let us solve the following. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is selected at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a two digit number, a perfect square number, a number divisible by 5. Okay, in this scenario, we need to find out three events. Okay, let us solve one by one. So here total number of discs are 90. Numbers on the discs is equal to 1 to 90. So total possible outcomes are 90. Okay. So for any event in this particular scenario, we will have total number of possible outcomes 90 only. Right? Yes. Now, so first event, let us consider the first event. Probability of a two digit number. So numbers to exclude here, we need to find out the probability of two digit number only. So as the discs are numbered from 1 to 90, to get a two digit number, we need to exclude the one digit numbers. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Total 9 numbers. So two digit numbers, we'll get total to, how many two digit numbers will be there? 90 minus 9, that is equal to 81. So to get a two digit number, when we have taken the probability to get a two digit number, no, for that particular event the total number of favorable outcomes are given, or 81, because we need to pick up only two digit number. Okay, so the probability of an event is given by number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Here favorable outcomes are 81, because we need to get only two digit numbers. So how many two digit numbers are there? 81. So here probability is equal to 81 by 90. Okay, or 9 by 10, or point 9. Okay, so here this is important, because we need to get we need to get a two digit numbered disk. So we need to consider favorable outcomes by excluding single digits. After excluding single digits, the favorable outcomes for this particular event become to 81. Total possible outcomes are 90. So 81 by 90, that is equal to 9 by 10, or point 0.9. Right? Next, the probability of a perfect square number. So the perfect squares up to 90, or we need to get the perfect square numbers. So numbers are from 1 to 90. So how many perfect squares are there? Let us see. What are the perfect squares from 1 to 90? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. Okay, so only up to 90 only, because the discs are numbered from 1 to 90. Okay, so here we can get, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, and 9 square. Okay, these are the perfect square numbers. How many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total count, to get total count of the perfect square numbers are 9. Okay, that means this is the these are the favorable outcomes for this particular event. What is the event? The probability of getting a perfect square number. Okay, so total count is 9. This is the favorable outcome, and total possible outcomes are 90, because we have 90 discs. So the probability of getting a perfect square number will be 9 by 90. Okay, so here this 9 is the number of perfect squares from 1 to 90. Okay, 9 by 90, that is equal to 1 by 10, or point 0.1. Okay, next, what is the third event? Probability of a number that is divisible by 5. Again, from 1 to 90, what are the numbers that are divisible by 5? See, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So how many numbers are there? 18 numbers are there here. Okay, so total count, that means total favorable outcomes for this particular event will be 18. Okay, 18 means 18 favorable outcomes for will be there for the event of getting a number that is divisible by 5, right? So total number of outcomes, possible outcomes are 90, because we have 90 disks, right? So the probability of getting a number which is divisible by 5 will be given by 18 by 90, or 1 by 5, or zero point 0.2, right? So first we need to find out the favorable outcomes clearly, then we can find out the probability very easily. So for finding the favorable outcomes, we need to check the given condition clearly. Okay, so here 90 disks are there. To get the to get the pro to get a disk which is divisible by 5, we'll get favorable outcomes 18, possible outcomes are 90, so the probability will be 1 by 5, or zero point 0.2. In the same manner, we need to get a perfect square number. How many perfect square numbers are there? 9 numbers. So 9 by 90, that is 1 by 10. Okay, and the probability of a number that is divisible by 5, and the probability of a two digit number will be 81 numbers will be there, and the probability will be zero point 0.9, or 9 by 10. Okay, so finding out the favorable outcomes is very very important by checking the condition that is given in that particular scenario. Okay, right. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.